Okay, lo previous video blow me talk click lo side blow working money using Facebook inside lo Papua New Guinea. We've been talk long how lo using marketplace tab inside lo Facebook, yeah. Lo using lo make him all market blow you inside lo Facebook. Me been outlining all these all steps, the requirements from Facebook marketing. Igona me been touching one condition where you need to meet him too. Na this la condition or this la requirement now ba mi talk long inside lo this la video. Time me touch him Facebook monetization. So stay put, watch until the end. Na ba you understand him when him something you ba working lo utilize him Facebook monetization lo making money inside lo Facebook.
I'm eligible to work money because me and I want 2 months coming on some like your content creators or to log in lo story but as a countryman you must at least help me one blue you.
Hello PNG, good news here. Good news me bring him come across here. Good news. Congratulations guys. Thank you one content creator and hello PNG. Now that's all I'm looking for some profile for me and eligible. So but me show him live video na by ibla lugin. Guys, good bla venun through. Me work la live video lo show him that's all profile for me now I'm eligible lo working money lo Facebook. Me go into the dashboard as well na mispaya and dashboard for me. Me go into me go send mispaya no gas. Me looking mo same ay. I'm bla sign lo money and to you eligible any money lo instruments. I'm surprised when you can display. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you, Toma. Okay, guys, we are going to now look at the necessary requirements or steps that you need to take in order for you to be eligible for Facebook monetization in Papua New Guinea. So stay put by me diving go inside look these all steps. By me go step by step, easy na ba you understand him. Okay, step number 1 is to know your audience. You must saw your audience blue because that's your niche, NICHE. So this la audience blue you tas all by making you eligible lo monetize him Facebook account blue you. So by me call dashboard, professional dashboard. First thing first, by you looking your level of your performance. This I'm first plus something straight by looking. By looking you start to level 1 or level 2 or level 3 or and by looking this la. By looking to professional profile overview. You can look professional profile overview na looking a mas plaman all reaching post blue you finish a mas plaman all engage online site or comment na react lol post blue you na mas plan new pla followers blue you. I'm too by looking lo this lahap time you go inside to professional dashboard. You can click him see more insights. Now by looking more narapla one stop. But as you move down by looking recent content lo you post him ya. Na by looking to amas plaman only react lo post lo you or comment lo post lo you and by you still look sawel lo disla. You click him na you look by look him. Amas plaman view him. Amas plaman react. Amas plaman or interact minim or comment na you reply na this la kind or reply lo you lo this la post lo this la reels outside them follow him you by looking to watch time lo you to by looking average watch time lo you to by stop button blow boosting post lo you to stop. That's for your recent content I'm lo look sawelo amas audience you got currently. Okay, your level, suppose you are looking all get the levels, you click in button lo upside. You click in this button ya by looking amas per levels you completing finish na amas per levels and stop yet lo you completing. Lo level 1 all requirements lo you completing level 1 and stop. All bullet points ya. Level 2 M2 all requirements do you complete him 2 and by stop na by looking. Suppose you no complete him yet and by stop lo upside. The time you complete him by looking mo kata all complete level by stop lo right hand side do you. That's if you are using a computer. Suppose you using phone by looking lo phone do you. Okay, current level do you stop ya by look sawe long em. Na by look sawe lo percentage blow amas you been completing finish. Amas per task lo completing sa level by looking or state him down lo percentage. Like my case, the first task to grow audience up to 1,000 or followers up to 1,000 has been reached. Okay, by looking kind view or semba stop, you can click him na looking one task you stop long him. Grow to 1,000 followers or friends. Next one is to reach 500 new plays on your reels, and the last one is to create new public post. Okay, so these are two tasks you know complete yet. You are looking, you can click on this arrow, yeah. Arrow right hand side, you click long him. Now by looking. Amas per task tap andan itu this main task do you. So create new reels, kami working finish. Reach 500 new plays on your reels is yet to be completed. Okay. By looking to Narapla, create new public post here. Create 5 new public posts. Kami completing finish. Post 5 days in a row, I'm not working yet. So these are simple tasks. All tasks where time you perform them, you will be eligible to complete that level. I'm all simple tasks. You can try it out. Alright, so that's on levels. Next thing that we are going to look at is the professional profile overview. Na by me look lo insights. Time you go inside lo this la hub by looking profile overview blue stop. You scroll go down by looking graph representing audience blue stop tamlo straight. You me by look long more details blow this la profile overview blue me. Time you enter in this lab by looking all get the necessary details where you need lo sawe long em stop lo hub. Everything about your profile will be listed down and their data will also be presented. So you was sawe straight lo amas lo followers you lo attract him come lo account lo you. I believe we have covered that one already when we were looking at the overview. May look lo overview blo dashboard ya you may cover in this la finish. So you come down lo content by looking amas plaman react lo 110 status blo you update him, whether it's a video or just a post or a photo. It's all listed there. You can scroll na looking one long. You can also check for audience. Right, audience below you too. You can look sawe long all. It has been presented in form of graph where I'm representing number below all man na number below Mary. Na two grouping all age groups. Kind of below me you looking. The largest number that I have is males, or male namelo 24 na 34 years old. you look in this blue pla grafia represent him all man, na green pla graph all Mary. Okay, both genders in each age group is quantified in percentage. Now at the bottom, lo tamlo age groups here. So you look in one empla group or lo visit him profile blue by looking place kilia lo hub. And then we also have location. Which location have the most of your followers who are visiting your account and interacting with you. So in this case here, we got Potmos be Papua New Guinea, that's the highest. And then we have Lei, Alotau, Medeng, and I go down. Those are towns and cities. Okay, you can look in Molgata on them. We also have countries. Suppose you look him all population lo one country work lo visit him or interact one time you lo account lo you can click in this button yeah. Now by looking from my dashboard, me got Papua New Guinea has the highest number of people interacting, and then the list goes down. Okay, so that's basically how you can see your audience. Now, time you look in right audience to you will be able to identify the content that you are going to present. Now you update him. In that way, by you attracting more of your audience to interact with you, react to your post. This la kind now by looking mosem you reach him level of eligibility. Lo monetizing Facebook account to you. Okay, so in my next video, bami talk long monetization. How lo you making payment, or how lo you officially register him this account to you using online business registration. So I'm this lokata something by me talk lo next video blue me. So stay tuned. You can subscribe to YouTube channel to me so that anytime you upload a new video by notification.